Welcome to another journey into history and mystery. Today, we step inside one of Sri Lanka's most iconic coastal strongholds, the legendary Galle Fort. Built centuries ago by Portuguese settlers and later strengthened by the Dutch, this ancient fortress still stands proudly against the waves of the Indian Ocean. Within its massive stone walls lie stories of battles, trade, colonial power, and everyday life that shaped history. In this video, we will explore its hidden pathways, powerful bastions, and secret corners that still whisper the echoes of the past. So join me as we begin this unforgettable journey through time. Hello everyone, welcome to Sri Lanka. Today, I'm in Galle, one of the most famous destinations in Sri Lanka, known for its rich history and cultural heritage. Galle Fort, located in southern Sri Lanka, is one of the best preserved colonial fortifications in Asia and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Originally built by the Portuguese in 1588, it was later extensively strengthened by the Dutch in the 17th century after they captured Galle in 1640. The Dutch expanded the fort's massive ramparts, bastions, and defensive systems, many of which still stand today. Later, the British also used the fort, adding administrative buildings and further adapting its structure. This is the main entrance to Galle Fort, known as the Main Gate, which is also sometimes referred to as the British Gate. Let's park our vehicle here and begin our journey through the ancient Galle Fort. Before entering the fort walls, you can see this map of Galle Fort. It gives visitors a clear idea about the important locations inside the fort, along with useful details about each site. This is the pathway leading into the fort through the Sun Bastion site. You can also see the arrow mark and the name of the bastion engraved on this stone. Before entering the fort wall, you can first see this tunnel with its beautiful arch-shaped entrance. Above the entrance, you can still see an ancient stone engraving bearing the mark of the Dutch East India Company. These historic carvings silently preserve the story of the fort's past and the people who once controlled this mighty stronghold. On your left side, you can see the staircase leading up to the Sun Bastion. Now I am standing on the Sun Bastion. Let's explore the places and beautiful views we can see from this historic bastion. You can see one of the sentry boxes of Galle Fort. Let's go closer and take a better look at it. These small sentry boxes once served as watch points for the guards protecting the ancient fort. From here, soldiers carefully observe the sea and surrounding land, always prepared to warn the fort of approaching danger. You can see many small platforms here on the floor. These platforms were used to place the large cannons that once protected the fort. I will show them to you more closely after we explore this area. This is something I didn't see during my last visit. Let's go closer and take a look at this new feature. Wow, this is remarkable. This is a site plan of Galle Fort. It is a brilliant idea that helps visitors understand the layout and arrangement of the fort more clearly. Anyone who comes here can easily get a good overall idea about the important locations inside the fort. This is truly a valuable achievement by the archaeology department. Let's continue our journey towards the Moon Bastion. Look at this beautiful pathway we have to pass through. Not only that, the cool sea breeze gives a truly refreshing feeling as we walk along the ancient fort walls. Now, we are passing through the historic casemate area of the fort. In the old days, this strong stone chamber was used to store powerful cannons and ammunition during times of war. Standing tall above the ancient streets of Galle Fort, the St. Anthony's Clock Tower has watched over this historic city for generations. Built during the British era, this elegant landmark once guided the daily lives of traders, travelers, and sailors arriving at the harbor. Today, surrounded by centuries-old walls and the endless breeze of the Indian Ocean, the clock tower remains a proud symbol of Galle's rich history and timeless beauty. Along the ancient ramparts of Galle Fort, we arrive at one of its most atmospheric viewpoints, the Moon Bastion area, often called the Moon Gallery by modern visitors. Built during the Dutch colonial period, this curved fortification once played a key role in defending the southern coastline from naval attacks. Today, it stands as a silent witness to centuries of maritime history. As the path follows the edge of the bastion, the Indian Ocean stretches endlessly into the horizon. Waves crash far below the cliffs, while the stone walls glow under shifting sunlight. At sunset, the entire landscape transforms. Golden light washes over the fort, shadows lengthen, and the sea turns into a mirror of fire and gold. And when night arrives, the Moon Gallery becomes something truly timeless where history, ocean, and sky meet in quiet harmony under the Sri Lankan moonlight. Every step we take through this magnificent fort reveals another breathtaking view and another unforgettable moment. Now, I am entering the famous Star Bastion, one of the most impressive defensive points inside the historic Galle Fort. At first glance, this area welcomes visitors with a peaceful atmosphere, beautiful surroundings, and the refreshing sea breeze flowing across the ancient stone walls. Now, I am standing beside an ancient embrasure, the specially designed V-shaped opening built into the fortification wall for firing cannons during battles. From this strategic position, soldiers could aim their heavy artillery toward approaching enemy ships and invading forces, while remaining protected behind the thick stone ramparts. Now we move into one of the most mysterious and lesser discussed parts of the historic Galle Fort, the underground prison cells. Hidden beneath the thick stone ramparts, these confined chambers were believed to be used during the Dutch colonial period for holding prisoners, especially those accused of rebellion, piracy, or resistance against colonial rule. Built deep within the fort's defensive structure, they were designed to be secure, dark, and difficult to escape from. The architecture itself reflects the strict military discipline of the time. Heavy stone walls, limited airflow, and narrow access points show how security was prioritized over comfort. While much of the fort is open, bright, and overlooking the ocean, these underground spaces reveal a very different side of history, one of control, punishment, and colonial authority. Today, these areas stand as silent historical evidence, reminding visitors that the fort was not only a place of trade and defense, but also a center of administration and enforcement during centuries of colonial rule. Now we are stepping into another fascinating part of the historic Galle Fort, the ancient gunpowder storage areas. These strong, thick-walled chambers were once used to safely store gunpowder, cannonballs, and other military supplies during the Portuguese, Dutch, and later British periods. Built with heavy stone and limited ventilation, they were designed to reduce the risk of fire and protect the fort's most dangerous materials from moisture and enemy attacks. Inside these storerooms, soldiers carefully managed explosive supplies that were essential for defending the fort's ramparts and bastions. Even a small spark could have been disastrous, which is why these spaces were kept cool, dark, and strictly controlled. As we conclude this part of our journey through the historic Galle Fort, we are left with countless stories carved into its ancient stone walls. Stories of defense, trade, colonial power, and timeless beauty. But this is not the end of our exploration. There are still many hidden paths, forgotten corners, and remarkable landmarks waiting to be discovered. In our next video, we will continue this journey and uncover even more secrets of this legendary fortress. So stay with us, and let's continue exploring the full history and beauty of Galle Fort together. This is paradise in my eyes, where history, beauty, and timeless stories come together in one unforgettable journey.